We got the FANTTIK C4 Ultra tent right here. This tent is nice. It takes about 60 seconds to set up, but I'm wondering, does it take 60 seconds to close? Let's see. By the way, if you see right here, it's super mesh and you have all these windows too. You can open up for a lot of breathing room. This tent is like simply awesome. So much breathing room. It's awesome. And it's very spacious, fits 4 people, but to disassemble it, you're gonna pull it down right here, boom. And now it's almost disassembled already, super easy. Then you go right here, you push this in, boom, like that. You run over here, you push this one in like this. Boom, right? And then you go over here, you push this one in, boom. Then you push this one down right here, boom. And that's it. Then you simply fold this up and you have a very compact tent. This thing literally is 28 pounds. And once I get all the air out, this thing is easy to put in the carrying pouch and carry. This is the FANTTIK C4 Ultra tent and it fits 4 people. 60 seconds set up, 60 seconds to disassemble right here.